our culture. Can you explain the importance of it?
Yeah, this Darbhai is a grass plant, It's a grass plant, and all these Purohits, they use that as their main weapon. So it's an alkali material. It's a very powerful material. Okay. So we have done one program on Saivam and Asaivam. You remember that Saivam means going out of food and nutrition. So when you go out of food and nutrition, and then you don't eat at all, you survive with cosmic wave energy as a rishi or saint or whatever you call it. Then what happens? The contamination of your blood starts completely reduced within no time. Then your emotional turbulences will also go down. All that kind of things. The plasma part of the blood will start turning alkali slowly over a span of time. When it reaches 8 plus, 8.5 plus, then it activates the pineal gland in the brain, which produces a hormone at that time, in that alkali condition. And that opens up your cortex completely. That is the awakening of intelligence, jnana. That hormone is in science closely called picric acid, PICRIC. That component is there in Darbhai. Okay. If you take a few pieces of Darbhai and put it in a big barrel of water, 200 liters of water, if that water is having a pH value of 7.2, within 2 hours, if you see that water will turn to 8 plus alkali. It's so powerful. But you cannot go and pluck this plant at any given point of time. There are days to pluck this plant to retain its vitality. You can pluck it only in between August 15th to September 15th, Avani Masam in Tamil. That's the month. On an Amavasa day only you can pick it up, dry it and keep it with you. If you miss it, you can do it in month of Masi, that is between February 15th to March 15th. On that time, on a Amavasa day, you can take it. That is the new moon day. Otherwise, it has got no strength. If you're going to keep, why they bring in that Darbhai along with them during yaga and puja and all that, this guy placing it there will make the entire that area alkali, positive energy. It will drive away all the acidic part of the atmosphere, negative energy. That's the beauty of that plant. Thank you.